Finding and hiring the best web developers is not an easy task. And as the global tech industry keeps booming, the question of where to find the right talent is more important than ever. Latin America is a great place to start looking at for building your team of remote software engineers. The LATAM region has become one of the favorite outsourcing destinations for US-based companies. But why? Number 1. Latin American countries are within similar time zones as the US and Canada. This allows real-time collaboration and eases project development and communications. Number 2. The US and Latin America have a strong cultural share. Work culture is close enough for American companies to feel comfortable working with remote developers within the region. Number 3. The technology industry in the region is booming rapidly, as Latin America is producing large amounts of young engineers day by day, making it full of attractive candidates to choose from. Start looking south to build your next remote team. Set yourself up for rapid international expansion, and experience why Latin American nearshore developers are winning the hearts of American companies.